In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Litematica in multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. So, as you might be aware, Litematica gives you access to these schematics that can help you build structures and anything that you'd like in Minecraft. You can do it on survival or creative. Now, you might be curious if you can download this onto a server. Well, if we visit the official page for Litematica on CurseForge and we look for the word multiplayer, we only find two instances here, talking about setting blocks in multiplayer, and also under the frequently asked questions, which goes over the exact same thing. But in short, you don't need to download this into a server. Litematica is a client-side mod. What this means is that it works only on your screen. When you download Litematica, you will be able to see the schematics, but anyone who is on a server will not. So there is no way for you to download it into a server. Because it is made to be a client-side mod, it cannot be directly installed onto a server. If you want to have functionalities available across a server, you need something like Syncmatica. There is another mod that exists that also has the exact same function, but I recommend this one. As you can see here, it is hosted on Modrinth, and it has more than 300,000 downloads. This mod aims to mod into Litematica so that schematics and their placements can be easily shared. So you can download this mod alongside Litematica for your Minecraft client, so client side, and also on your server. So once you download it in your server, you will be able to share the schematics with other people who are also on that server. But for Litematica itself, you cannot download it into a multiplayer server. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.